What's up guys, this is Mr. Erdogan, you're watching Music with Mr. Erdogan, and this is video 2 of learning how to play Ode to Joy. Okay, so if you just finished watching my previous video, you just spent about 6 minutes listening to me talk and blabber on about how to play this song, but now it's time for us to actually start playing it. If you missed my previous video and you haven't learned about dotted eighths or 16th notes, I suggest clicking the link at the top right corner now to watch part 1, then coming back to continue with this video afterwards. Otherwise, if you already know about dotted eighths and 16ths, let's get started. As usual, I'm going to have the recorder notes on the right side of the screen. And if you've been following along with my series of videos, there shouldn't be any notes in the song that are new for you. We're going to be playing it at 5 different speeds, and you can keep track of what speed we're at in the top left corner. So we'll be playing it at 40, 50, 60, 70, and 80 beats per minute. And that's what BPM stands for, in case you didn't know. Beats per minute. So 40 will be the slowest speed, and 80 is going to be the fastest. Let's give it a try at 40 beats per minute. Now let's try at 50 beats per minute. Now 60 BPM. And for this speed and 70 and 80 BPM, I want you to try to read the music on your own, without using the recorder drawing and the note names on the right side of the screen. And now 70 BPM. Finally, let's play it at full speed at 80 beats per minute. Alright guys, that's it for this video. As usual guys, if you like this video, hit that like button below. It helps me out a lot when you do. And hit subscribe as well so you can get updates of when I'm sending you guys new videos. See you guys in the next one.